What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. It is so good to see your smiling faces. Today I got a treat for y'all. So my buddy works for a car dealership and he is looking for new ways to market his videos, and I caught him using a cell phone online. And I said, and I had a conversation with myself. I said, Self, why don't you shoot a cinematic car ad? And myself said, why not? So let's get it. First things first, we have to make sure that the car's clean. We already took it to the car wash, but it's got a little bit of water spots. So I think that looks pretty good. It's a Porsche, by the way. All right, next thing, let's get the cameras out. I don't think y'all can see me. All right, so you never kind of know what you're gonna need for a shoot. So I have the gimbal. I brought the Z7 and the red as normal. And I think I'm gonna start off with the Z7. Take this off right here. And put this on here like so. Two hours later. Okay, now that we got the gimbal balanced, I just turned it back off. Let's go ahead and set up for the red. Over here. I think I'm going to stick with the 50mm for the red. And yeah, actually, you know what? Let's go 35. Nope, 24. How you doing? Alright, before I was so rudely interrupted, now that we are back, I have the Nikon Z7 on the gimbal and the red, and I'm just going to use the Z7 after I use the Gorilla Pod to wrap y'all around this pole, and I'm going to use that to kind of get just a couple good panning shots, and I hope this stays. Let me just slide it down to the corner like so. Hope it stays like this while I have y'all on here, like this. And boom. I think I'm good there. I'm gonna go handheld. So for the most part, I am done with the exterior. All I did was swap out the 12 to 24. I mean the 14 to 24mm for the 70 to 200. Put that on the red, and I'm gonna get some more tasty B-roll shots before we move in. Some more tasty exterior shots before we move into the interior. So go ahead and set you down again, and let's get going. All right, let's jump to the interior. There you have it, folks. That is how you shoot a car, and here is the finished product. All right, thank you for tuning in to today's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, hit that bell for the notifications for when I post my new videos. Peace.